The chairman, Christian Association of Nigeria, Bishop Mike Moses, who read the 5-point communique, says the worship centers should also be given attention so as to accord worshippers the opportunity to worship. CAN also drew the attention of state government on incessant attack by herdsmen in core community in Gire local government, which resulted to loss of lives. It called on state government to take necessary measures that will bring an end to the situation.
Cattle owners should oblige to own ranches and not grazing lands. 4. Federal scholarship for Adamawa State indigenes. The Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN Adamawa State Chapter, has received complaints from its followers on the beneficiary of federal scholarship to indigenes of Adamawa, and thereby called on the government to publish the list of beneficiaries in Adamawa State for public consumption in the spirit of transparency and accountability.
CAN advised government to reconsider its decision on providing about 15,000 hectares of land as grazing reserve. In its place, grazers should look for cattle range. The Christian Association of Nigeria, while commending federal government for its efforts in bringing an end to the issue of insurgency, however, called for more collaborative efforts between the security agents, noting that other local governments are still witnessing the activities of insurgency, restraining people from going to farm. Helamat Abanat, 26 News.